I say, is we rolling? I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Router. You see me gloving up. You see me get my air gauge, my air chuck, my core tool, even my blower out the door. I got my last call for the day, and this is gonna be an easy one. Check this out, man. They don't have a flat tire. What happened is he was traveling on the interstate. Somebody who had some road rage came and sideswiped them, and their lug nuts dug into his tire. The sun's going down, so I might not have the best footage. Lug nuts dug into his tire, into his wheel. That's why you got these scuff marks right here. Dug into his fender right here, dented it up, knocked it loose. He took it on off. The driver took it on off, but the person just road rage. He got mad apparently because he passed them, and you know how that goes. It's always a pissing contest. Y'all forgive me. And I say y'all as YouTube, if y'all gonna strike me for saying it, I apologize, but it's always a pissing contest. This job is about to start in 3, 2, 1. And it just doesn't make any sense. We on the road just driving. Why are you mad because I passed you? Like, it makes you feel small. And then he in a freaking work truck. I can see if he's in like this sports car and he doing laps around you. The man in a freaking F-350, man, with a trailer behind him. Let me go the other way. That talking done threw me off. He got a darn trailer behind him. And you done got mad because that man in that work truck pulling this equipment up past you. Ain't that something? Like, I'm never amazed with the amount of stupidity and immaturity that I see on a daily basis, especially with these people on the side of the road. And in this case, he ain't on the side of the road, but still. Nonsense. Anyway, I'm about to jack this joker up. That's my spot. Let's get it. Let's get it. We going up. I know it's a Monday, but we finna go up, baby. I know it ain't even a Tuesday. Make sure my jack ain't sliding or nothing like that. We should be good. We coming up in the world. Let's go. That's all I need. I'm gonna let it out of it. I'm gonna take it off. This is gonna be easy. I could change it on the truck. I ain't gonna do that for y'all. Not tonight. Not tonight, boy. It's still just stupid though. Like, man, come on, bro. Joker passed me, all I'm gonna do is just let him pass. I can see if the man cut you off and slammed on brakes in front of you. But if he literally just passed you because you were going too slow, I don't see nothing wrong with that. There's no reason why you should be holding up the road. Either way, I think these lug nuts should either be a 13/16 or a 7/8, which they are 13/16. Let's go on and rock it out. Oh, yes. Can y'all keep up? That one on our tight. I'm looking at it now. Some of these lug nuts are damaged too. But I don't think it's damaged to the point where he can't drive. Come on off of there. There we go. What the? Watch this. That's a little trick. I'm explaining to you what I just did. Saw that lug nut wasn't moving. I had it on the highest setting that I could have it on, going to the left, and it still didn't want to give. So what I did was tighten it up just a little bit, just to make it turn a little bit. You don't hold on it. Hold on. Don't hold on it because you don't want to snap the lug nut. Just turn it to the right a little bit just to get some motion going, so it'll break its grip. Then put it going back to the left. She gonna come loose for you in about every time if you do that. If it don't do it the first time, do it again. you don't do it the second time, then you might need to get your breaker bar out or whatever. I'll be dropping gems on y'all, dog. Y'all really owe me. Sorry if I just did that in your ear. This come off on the front. Let's break that back side first. It's already broke. All I had to do was just slam him on the ground. Good God almighty, this finna be easy. Look at that tire. I'm talking about dug straight into his tire. Come on, man. Oh, it's already broke. Easy work, baby. It's my last job of the day, too. Let's go. Right there. How? You ain't got to peel it off in multiple spaces. You do that first peel, put a little pressure on it, it's gonna pop right up like it just did. My brothers taught me that when I was young. I don't know if he's gonna keep the tire. I talked to him about that once. Once I get it back on and everything. And I'm talking about, that's a nice tire he got on there. Y'all, hold on 1 second. I ain't got my earbuds in, but somebody calling. Oh, they ain't talking about nothing. This right here kind of easier than some tire job. No, this tire job could be easier than some car tires that I do. That's another thing that people don't understand. Car tires are usually harder when we're doing them by hand and everything. They can be a bit more harder than like than semi trucks or heavy duty stuff. This stuff is usually easier to go on because there's so much rubber to work with. Whereas with the car tires, you don't have that much rubber to work with. I need to open my own school. That's what I need to do. Let me line that darn dot up on the valve stem. Watch this. Oh, Lord. Time to go back on already. Okay. I can't get that one at the top to go on. Hold on, bro. Let me slow down. There we go. Y'all, I'm finna crank up. Tighten them up. Air it up. And take it to the house. It's the last one for me tonight. My chuck and gauge, I already had that ready. Somebody commented on my page before about me putting my chuck and gauge in that door instead of the driver door. The reason it's in the driver door, because usually when I get out, I grab it. But since I've been recording, for some reason I don't grab it. I have to walk back to it. But typically, since I started working by myself, doing my own thing, it's in the driver door. So when I get out my car or my truck, I just grab them, put them in my pocket. But let's get it. I'm gonna put my core in because them 19.5s, they air up pretty quickly. And I'm gonna be putting up my tools while it airs up. Let's get it. $45. Got 90.
Anything in there give you any trouble?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you. I didn't hear you.
Any of that give you any trouble?
Give me any trouble?
Yeah.
Oh no. You see how quick we got done? Let me just check this out pressure on this tire real quick. I didn't understand what you had said though. Doo-doo-doo. Let's see what it says. Call for 110. I'm gonna give him a few more pounds and we getting out of here. Yeah, everything was smooth, my man. Are y'all keeping this old tire?
Huh?
You keeping that old tire? Let me get by you.
I don't see why they'd want it.
Okay, I don't mind taking it with me.
Yeah, with the side all tore up, you can't use it for nothing.
Right?
Can't retread it or anything.
Let me cut my air off, y'all. That was a success. Ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate y'all for coming on this job with me. It's another success, and like I said, that's it for me tonight. I hope y'all enjoy y'all evening, rest of y'all day. As for me, 14 minutes, that ain't bad. I'm out of here.